Hey guys, it's the girl Jess here with another video, and today's video is kind of different. So in the background, if you hear this, then it's just this bag. If you want to know what's inside of the bag, that's what I can give you. So we're going to be doing a video about fidget spinners. Probably everyone. Comment down below what you think I'm eating. Just look at these patterns. It's really cool. Look at the tricks that I'm doing as well. Ugh, I can't do it properly. Ow. This is weird on my eyelashes. Ugh. Okay, wait a minute, guys. I need to put you in a different position. Okay, so we're in a different position now. Good. So look. I don't think you can see this, guys, but... Ooh, and I dropped it. Wait a minute. I'll show you after I did it. It's really cool. Look how cool that is, guys. That's really cool. And look what you can do as well. Wait. You can make it go on your forehead, and also, if you had pointy nose, that's what I like. So there's music. You can do it on your nose as well, which is really cool. You might be able to balance it on your tongue. No, you can't. Do you like this mug? Go inside the mug. I'm joking, guys. Ow. Oh, I just wiped off some of it. So this is like a whiteboard mug, kind of. It's really cute. Me and my sisters DIY'd it. Except for the lid. The lid was hard to do. Literally. We used so much super glue, but after the lumps that were there, we peeled them off anyway. Because who wants lumps? No one. That's what it looks like. Okay, so that is all for this video. This was a really short one. Where's my fidget spinner? Here it is. So, I hope you have a nice day. I can't even spin it. Oh my god. Wait, I can't spin it. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.